guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for the August 2023, just regular glam bag, level bag. We're getting closer to caught up. I mean, we're filming this in October, and we're on the August one. I mean, we're still behind, but we're catching up. We're catching up, slowly but surely. So, anyway, as usual, I have two of these. So, first bag. Here's the little card that comes with it, and the theme is Return to the Wild. Restorative skincare, earthy colors, mindful practices. Whether you're hatching new goals, refocusing at work or school, or getting back into the swing of things, it's time to root yourself in a new uplifting routine that will have everyone calling you Mother. Nature, that is. Please don't call me Mother, that's creepy. Just throwing that out there. I feel like a couple people have in the comments before. I'm like, don't do that. Anyway, so they're claiming the moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued up to $70 are yours. So let's see. This is the bag. Loving the little pink and green aesthetic. It's pretty cute. I love that it has a tassel. Tassel, tassel, tassel. Meow, meow, meow. Don't ask. I don't know. So anyway, so first thing in here is very skinny. It's a Ciate London Wonder Wand lipstick in the color Sunday. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size would be $18. So let me read the thing first and then we'll open it up and look. With just one swipe, this deep rose lipstick delivers high coverage and leaves your lips feeling satin soft and oh so kissable. The secret? Its exclusive formula is packed with a blend of luxurious oils that give you intensely pigmented lips with a touch of irresistible shine. Tip, swipe directly on your lips for a pop of color and shine. No shit, like, bro, really? You had to put that as a tip. That's literally just how you use lip products. But anyway, funny that we're taking a sneak peek at Sunday, and I'm filming this on a Sunday. Oh, it's cute. I like the color. Color of the tube is giving me 90s Avon vibes. If you know, you know. Let's see here. Whoa! Okay, so... definitely thought this was the cap, not the turn wheel. So I was not expecting to go, like, oh, okay. Alrighty then. So let's see how much product's in here. It can't be very much. Actually, okay. I mean, it's a decent amount for a sample. I mean, it's skinny, but that's still a decent amount of uses that can give. But, yeah, color-wise, just looks like that. Pretty cute. Not complaining. So yeah, that's pretty good. I'm just still shook over that being not the cap. Alright, so does it say how much is in there? Can't be much. I'm not even seeing like a listed amount of product. It's crazy. That's like never a thing. Doesn't mention it there either. What the hell? I guess it doesn't really matter. But anyway, so next thing in. Oh, I've gotten these before. So this is the let's try that again. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I have like the full size of this. Like the tub, and it's like a beefy boy. Like, anyway. So, this has 10 pads, and not bad. So this is deluxe sample size. Full size is $36. Exfoliating can be rough on sensitive skin, but these daily treatment pads aren't. That's true, they're not rough. They contain just the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to gently exfoliate without irritation. Your skin will be soothed by cucumber, licorice root, and Indian gooseberry to help tone and brighten too. Tip, wipe gently across your face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing. Use once or twice daily. I don't know that I would do it twice daily. That seems like a lot, but once daily is not bad. But for how spendy they are, that seems a little excessive. Maybe once every other day. Okay, so from Give Them Lala Beauty, we have a brow gel in clear. And I still to this day don't really know what the hell to do with clear brow gel, so. This is full size though. So it is an $18 product. This lightweight Try that again. This lightweight brow gel is like a magic wand for your eyebrows, giving you fuller, structured, and oh so natural looking arches. No more unruly brow hairs getting in your way. This flake-free formula locks them in place and keeps them there all day long. Tip, comb the gel through your brow hairs in short upward strokes and then let dry. But why? I don't think mine are long or bushy enough to need that. Mine are pretty sparse. Okay, so then, from Corez, or is it Core? I don't know how to pronounce it. Santorini Grape Poreless. Why am I saying it with an accent? Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. So that's what it looks like. And this is deluxe sample size. Full size is $39. Take a mental vacay to Santorini with this lightweight gel moisturizer that helps blur pores and mattify skin. The potent combo of antioxidant-rich Santorini grapes, hyaluronic acid, and salicylic acid deeply hydrate and help prevent future breakouts. Which clearly I could be using right now. Tip, apply a nickel-sized dollop in the AM or PM to cleanse skin. They really shouldn't call them tips. They should just say, how to use. Since it's not a tip. It's literally how to use it with these. Anyway, I'll get off my freaking soapbox about that, but like it bothers me every time. Ooh, we have another Lottie London. This one is the Mauves. It feels loose though. I'm nervous. Why does it feel loose? Are they gonna fall out? I'm feeling shaking in there. That makes me hella nervous. I hope it's just like a loose lid or something and not like the actual product gonna fall out. But yeah, that. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $8. Also, the expectation versus reality with the shades, like, bro. Look how much more vibrant they are there. I mean, the purples are okay, but like that orange in the corner is like brown in real life. What the frick? Anyway. So, one look at this gorgeous eyeshadow palette and you'll be hooked. It's full of, or it's packed with a combo of 9 I'm sorry. What? They're claiming a combo of 9 metallic shimmer and matte shades. I am sorry. Where do you see 9? I see 4. I know I'm bad at numbers and math, but I'm pretty sure this is 4. Like, what are they talking about? Design for any occasion. Whether it's for every day or a night out, these golden mauve shades will add a touch of glamour to your look. Tip, pop the sparkly shade on your brow bones and inner corners of your eyes for a glow. That's the only one of these that was a tip. Straight up, whoa. How do you get 9 out of that? 9 combinations, maybe, but like, there is most definitely only 4 there. You're on crack, Ipsy. You're on crack. Well, let's see what's in the other bag anyway. Tassel, tassel, tassel. Meow, meow, meow. Sorry. If you know, you know. So, we have our card again. Not a cardigan. A card again. So, wait. Anyway. We do have a dupe with the Ciate London or Ciate London Wonder Wand lipstick in Sunday. So, might be going on eBay for that one. Then we have, ooh, this is, this is a deluxe sample size. Are you shitting me? Anyway, it's the JLo Beauty That Hit Single Gel Cream Cleanser. But the fact that that's a sample. Alright, this suddenly feels more worth the price. But yeah, the full size is $38. Full size is 150 milliliters. This is 50 milliliters. So that full size must be frigging massive. Anyway, want to feel fresh, clean, and ready to slay the day? This gel to cream cleanser can help with that. Thanks to glycolipids, which work to help clear out pore clogging residue, it helps melt away impurities and makeup like a boss. Tip, massage a small amount of cleanser over your wet face, then rinse and pat dry. Again, we are just telling how-tos. We have a Farrah eyeshadow quad in Sugar Plum. So this is full size, and it retails for $18. Interesting. They're very Very autumn vibes here for the kind of grungy feel of them. You know? I think anyway. So, ready to add some color to your eyeshadow looks? With a blend of shimmers and mattes, this palette of plum tone shades is perfect for achieving both a toned down natural look or a sultry smoky eye. Tip, use an eyeshadow brush to pack and blend the shades onto your lids. Again, just telling us how to wear eyeshadow. Anyway, so deluxe sample size of Mitchell and Peach Flora #1 Body Souffle. So full size is $40. Oh my goodness. So, this lightweight moisturizer is like a drink of water for your skin, but even better. That's because it's also packed with vitamin E, shea butter, and honey to help nourish, soften, and protect your skin. Plus, you'll smell like a garden thanks to notes of rose, lavender, and violet. Tip, massage the moisturizer into your clean, dry skin. I assume that. Yeah, body souffle. It's not for face. Okay. So I was like, at first I was like, is this a face moisturizer? No, they mean lotion. Okay, if there's no foil, I'm gonna sniff it. Nah, it's got foil. Alright, we'll leave it alone then until I'm ready to use it, because I don't want it to go bad or dry out. That would suck. And then the last product. Oh, it's itty bitty. This is the One Kind Radical Repair Ultra Brightening Eye Balm. Oh wow, for like the type of tube this is, I definitely thought that was lip balm at first. And my brain must have subconsciously saw the word balm, so I was like, oh, lip balm. Nope, eye balm, okay. This is deluxe sample size. Full size is $45. That's crazy. Tell me how much is in this? 4 milliliters versus the full size that's 15. Okay. A little under a third the size of the full size. All right. Anyway, because I was like, I swear, if this is like almost the same as like the full size and it's $45, I'm gonna scream. But anyway, this hydrating eye balm is like a refreshing drink for your under eye area, packed with plant butters, oils, and extracts, including a special blend of plant peptides, prickly pear cactus stem cells, and turmeric root extract. It helps nourish and brighten your delicate under eye skin. And it again literally just tells you how to use eye cream, so I'm not even going to justify it by reading it. But I'm excited to have it, so because it sounds like a good thing. So only one dupe, that's not that bad because everything else combined, that's pretty good value. That's pretty good value. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.